Yeah. 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 Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in the parent body, pressure in the codes. No crown, no witness, no legend on display. Just ancient matter, learning how to outlive decay. Born with the Chondrite, lost edges in the heat. Thermal metamorphism in equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6, recrystallized grain. A furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class. Yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine held firelight 24.5. Ferromagnesian scripture keeping deep time alive. Low cap, pyroxene F's 20.6. Volt 1.5 in the mineral mix. High cow phase carried another coded frame. Crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Metal metroid light in the microscopic braid. Finally intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. Then collision rope percussion through the lattice like drum shock. Stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in the flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea. Just a trajectory opening where gravity could see. Vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score. Till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity met molecules, compression turned bright. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside petrified dark, fusion crust sealed. Heat painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness fall into any official line. The sky kept that chapter, earth inherited the sign. Sonoran ground caught weight beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, not fragments on the run. 6143 grams resting close to ore, while abandoned mining country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014, on the page, a prospector search for gold found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal, somebody planned. I came carrying pressure that no scale could explain. A black memorandum written deeper than the vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory waiting to be bestowed. Yeah. Then the cut face open, laboratory lights away. Then section window showed what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turn mineral, textures turn testimony. Petrography translated in extraterrestrial chronology. Fire in the olivine, F's inside the chain. One marking calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar logged, oranin and calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. Feet over M gave ratios, analytical bars. Not mythology measurements, reconstructing scars. 164 grams into curated record space. While away for under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1 or barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residence whisper didn't overwrite the text. Terrestrial chemistry, you're right comparatively. Next L6, the label is a headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrated silicates keep all the processes there. A classification box can organize the stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen has known. Read the intergrowth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time forensic work on matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics impact atmosphere and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Changed beneath internal heat long before this present sunlit ground. Survived collision physics, crossed an atmospheric gate. Reached Sonora carrying an unrequested date. They hunted for a fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answered with the history no market could denounce. Gold comes from a ledger, I came speaking through a slide. Mineralogy on the mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega, add the letter in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. L group type 6 week shock. Weathered only slight, a fusion coded witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasy, no fabricated glow. Just face chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. From parent body furnace to a Sonoran finding zone. The universe dropped evidence. Earth picked up one stone.